May I come in, sir?
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir.
Please come.
Thank you, sir.
So, how is your journey up to this interview? From your preliminary to interview?
Sir, it was a great journey, I would say, sir. I have cherished moment in preparing for the prelims, as well as I have worked hard for my mains. And for this interview, I have updated myself to the current knowledge and current affairs, and I'm feeling quite confident, sir.
Good. And what is your experience in pharmacology?
Sir, I'm working as a pharmacovigilance at
What is that?
So it is dealing with the surveillance, post-marketing surveillance of the medications or drugs, which is getting marketed after the clinical trial phases and after approval of the particular medication, sir. We report the adverse drug reactions to the regulatory authorities, and that comes under the part of pharmacovigilance, sir.
So, each pharmacology is part of BSc nursing.
Yes, sir. Pharmacology for nurses.
But I have heard that people go for B Pharm, Pharm like that. But pharmacology in nursing, is it so?
Yes, sir. Pharmacology for nurses. It is there in one of the years, in second year of BSc nursing. In the curriculum, it is part of the nursing, sir.
Achha, good. Tell me, the evil that we found in the system of the drugs that we use, I mean the medicines that we use.
Sir,
I mean, where do you find the wrongs in the medical system, medicine system, medicine, not medical. We take the medicine.
Yes, sir.
We get the medicine from government hospital, from private distribution shops, from Jan Aushadhi.
Yes, sir.
Okay?
Yes, sir.
But this is the present Indian system what we have. It is not same in the European system.
Yes, sir.
So, where do you find the fault?
Sir, the present Indian system, we have here the system where the medications gets into the market. Now, the India is known as the pharmacy of the world because of generic medications. However, in recent times, this image has been hampered because of a low standard or substandard manufacturing of the product. For example, the Maiden Pharma of Gurgaon that has supplied medication to the Gambia of Africa, where it led to killing of around 70 people in that area. So that is because of the substandard or counterfeit or fake medications in the market, and that is being regulated by the CDSCO, our regulatory authority of India, which gives every month the list where it identifies the medications which are having substandard level, and it tries to recall those medications from the market, and it takes the intensive like course correction measures, and they also penalize or they may try to take some punitive measures against the particular pharmaceutical industry. But that is not the case in European Union or Europe in specific, sir. They have very strict regulation. They have well awareness in the citizens as well as very strict regulation there, sir.
Okay. You must have heard the Patanjali medicine, Ayurvedic medicine. They are also the distributors, propagators, and manufacturers. Okay.
Yes, sir.
They are claiming all remedy in their products. You must be recalling the Corona days when the whole world was, not sure what to do. But they came out with a product and say, if you have it, coronal or something like that. Okay. So, what is the legal mechanism in India to address this kind of fraud?
Yes, sir. So, such kind of claims by any organization, whether it is
What is the institutional mechanism?
CDSCO, the Central Drugs Standard Control Organization. It is led by DCGI, the Drugs Controller General of India. he looks after these particular things, for approval of any new medications or any clinical trials or any counterfeit medications. He is the authority, and they regulate all these medications and these kind of claims. And there are many acts we have in India. For example, Drugs and Cosmetic Act of 1940. And for false advertisement, we have Magical Remedies Act, which prevents the fake advertisement for any kind of such kind of claims. So they have legal.
What is that act? Drugs and
Drug,
magic.
sir, I'm not able to recall at this moment, sir. But Magical Remedies, Objectionable Advertisement Act of 1954, sir.
That is 1954. Yes. So, what are actually objected in that act? Which things are actually objectionable?
So the things of fake advertisement that it is going to cure many diseases, for example, tuberculosis, diabetes mellitus, hypertension. Any fake advertisement which claims.
One is advertisement.
Yes, sir.
Then.
So at this moment I am able to recall one answer.
Okay. That's a very good point. Good. So, what is your aspiration in administration?
Sir,
I mean, what prompted you to opt for administration?
Sir, it is, I've been working as a pharmacovigilante in Bangalore. Then my father got CKD, that is chronic kidney disease, where both of his kidneys failed functioning. And we needed a specialized care. And I belong to Malkangiri. And we do not have good communication. And sometimes it needed immediate care whenever his pistol was not functioning. So we had some difficulty, and I have to take him to Hyderabad or sometimes to Bangalore. That's where it got me thinking. And I thought, though I'm in healthcare sector, but I thought if I'll be part of administration, that will have some impact on society, where I can focus on development and infrastructure connectivity, which is lacking specific to my district. So these things got culminated in my mind, and I consciously decided to pursue for civil services. So
why is your area called as Swabhiman Anchal?
Sir, the Swabhiman Anchal area, it is named recently in the 2018. Before that, for 6 decades, that area is called as Vichalanchal, or the cutoff area, because there was a virtual island created in that area, and there were no proper connectivity. People used to travel via boat or steamer. Almost like 151 villages were cut off from the mainland Malkangiri, and that area was a hub for Maoist activity in that area, sir. And the name was changed by our former Chief Minister, Mr. Naveen Patnaik, and that name is called as Swabhiman Anchal, and that reflects the intent of Odisha government to not to leave anyone behind in the integration, in the development process of Odisha, sir.
Good.
Mishra, you have mentioned so many things. Your special achievement, first graduate milestone in paternal lineage. What does it mean?
Sir, in my father's side, my paternal side, I'm the first graduate in my family. My father, he has pursued till his +2.
So is it a special achievement?
Sir, I feel it is an achievement for me and my family. It's a pride for me and my family, because of the opportunity which I got, and I could pursue my education, sir.
You are now working as safety and PV. PV means pharmacovigilance.
Yes, sir.
So actually, what does it mean? What you are doing exactly?
Sir, we report adverse drug reactions
To whom we report?
regulatory authorities, sir.
So you are working under a regulatory authority.
I'm working for a pharmaceutical company where they are sponsored company. For them, we work, sir. We identify and we escalate the issues to them, and they take care and they report to the EMA. That is for European Union, sir.
But what is the regulatory capacity your company has? That's why when you are conducting regulatory activities.
So we are not conducting the regulatory activity. We are keeping a track of the data which is happening in the clinical trials. So my company does the clinical trials, and that data we monitor and we report to the company, and they report. The company reports to the concerned authorities, sir.
Your company reports to the concerned authority.
Yes, sir.
Suppose there is some malpractice in your company, and your company will report it to a regulatory authority that our company is involved in malpractices. So our employee, they have detected so and so much of malpractices to take action against us.
I'm sorry, sir. I want to reframe my statement, sir. It is not our company. It is like we take care. We carry out the safety reports. We keep a vigilance of the safety report by the clinical trials. Whatever clinical trials is happening in the market by some other company.
Clinical trials that is being conducted by different companies.
Exactly, sir.
You supervise.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
That is the thing.
Yes, sir.
But you have opted political science and international relationship. Why? Why did you choose political science and international relations?
Sir, after going through the options which was available, I have thought my interest is more on towards the political, the developments of the international relations. Basically, I want to acquaint myself with the current affairs. That's why I opted for international relation. And apart from that, sir, the political science, these things will help me to understand how the governance is going to happen. I thought that these are the two reasons why I opted for political science.
Can you tell what is cut motion?
Yes, sir.
What is cut motion?
So cut motion happens in the parliamentary system when a particular bill is passed, and if the bill is not. Sir, I'm sorry, sir. I'm not able to
Do not
recall.
know. Then can you tell point of order?
Yes, sir.
What is this?
In parliamentary system, whenever a minister or when presiding officers points out to a particular minister and they ask.
No.
I'm
Please
sorry,
go.
sir. I'm sorry, sir.
Have
I'm not
you-
able to recall at this moment.
You must have gone through certain political thought.
Yes, sir.
philosophers.
Yes, sir.
You must have come across Machiavelli.
Yes, sir.
What is lion and fox principle?
Sir, Machiavelli is a realist
I do
philosopher.
not want to know Machiavelli. What is his principle? What is this lion and fox principle?
Sir, he says that the prince should be courageous like lion and clever like a fox to rule in the particular state, to establish a governance, to have a proper governance. He said this true quality.
Courageous means
Courage means
like one should be courageous. King should be courageous like a
prince should be courageous like a lion,
lion.
clever like a fox.
That's it. But courageous like a lion. Lion is always courageous.
So a lion pursues what it wants to do, irrespective of the pressure. If it is required to save the entire community.
But lion sometimes when he moves and there is a suppose a net is laid, lion doesn't understand what is the net is. The lion gets trapped in the net. Do you understand?
Yes, sir.
In a forest area,
Yes, sir.
suppose a net has been laid,
Yes, sir.
the lion moves. Lion doesn't understand or doesn't see that there is a net. It gets trapped.
Yes, sir.
You please go through.
Yes, sir.
All these are bluffing.
Yes,
You
sir.
please go through because
Sure,
you have opted it.
Yes,
So
sir.
as regards international relation,
Yes, sir.
recently the relation between America and India got strained.
Yes,
So
sir.
what is the future you see in the relationship of India and America?
Sir, the 50% tariff by USA on India has definitely brought the relation has got hampered because of this particular tariff. But it would be too early to comment on this because we have our diplomatic channels open where we are going to we are trying to negotiate with USA. At the same time, India has diversifying its market, not to depend on a particular one country, sir.
But yesterday only President Trump has given a favorable remark about India. So do you think that there will be some improvement in the relationship?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I believe and I think, sir, India and USA will have a very good relationship in the future because of India's strategic location, and India is quite important for Indo-Pacific region because USA wants to counter China, and India is an ally which can be a partner to USA, and because of that reason, sir, USA and India will be in good terms in upcoming
Okay,
future.
you have mentioned cross-cultural language learning. So how many languages you have learned so far?
Sir, I know Odia, Hindi, English. I can speak and understand Telugu, Tamil, and I can understand Bengali. And currently, I'm learning Marathi, sir.
You can speak also Tamil.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So you have a pharmacology background,
Yes, sir.
and
Oh, so
recently Trump's tariff was also they have excluded pharma products. Just elaborate what you understand.
Sir, India's generic medications, which are cheap, and 40% of USA's market is supplied by India's generic medications.
How the means 25% and raising to 50%. What are its implications, and what you think that India should bargain so that we will have a comparative advantage?
Sir, India should bargain. The sectors which got affected was textiles, gems and jewelry, footwear industry, and the seafood items, sir. And the concern for USA was on India's aspect like GM crops, and USA wants India to open its agricultural market and dairy sector. So the negotiations are on these sectors only, sir. And yes, sir. The Indian government is promising, and the government is optimism about having FTA by the end of the year, sir, with USA.
To what extent India can go for bargaining? If our officials can make a bargain, to what extent we can go for maintaining or boosting our exports? Suppose 25% was there, then again 50%. Any idea about the international positions? Suppose, who are the competitors? Suppose reaching to 50%. If at all the USA return that 25% the tariffs, then what will be our comparative positions?
So we will be at the disadvantage because the products from the items from the neighboring countries will be cheap in the USA market, and we will get a disadvantage section.
Any idea about the neighboring countries, the tariff structure on by USA?
Sir, yes, sir.
Like who are the competitors of textiles and the products like our marine?
So that for textile, it is Bangladesh, sir.
What are the tariff structure there?
Sir, I'll have to read about it.
Okay. So actually there are 15, up to 19%, 18 to 19% India will have advantage. Then India will lose the market. So 28% is also higher. So then actually the Janaushadhi scheme introduced by our Prime Minister. What is your opinion on this?
I see this as a great initiative, sir, where the generic medicine, the quality of the generic medicine is provided at a cheap price at the Janaushadhi Kendra, sir. And that is to increase the accessibility of the medications to the people of India, sir.
Actually, you have taken political science also. So, you have, can you name any milestone, means any amendment, constitutional amendment, which was a milestone with respect to this political science related things? Any constitutional amendment?
Yes, sir.
With respect to PRIs? Do you know 73rd Amendment?
Yes, sir. Panchayat Raj Institution in the year 1992.
So, what was its distinctiveness for Odisha?
Sir, we have in Odisha, we have reservation for women is up to 50%, sir. That is one of the special feature in Odisha, where it shows Odisha's commitment for women empowerment in women's growth, sir.
For all India, what was it?
It is 33%, sir, 1/3.
Okay, so these are
Good. Bachara, tomar corn impression.
Sir,
How did you fare?
sir, I have stumbled on my optional subjects.
Optional, you have to improve.
Yes,
optional.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
You are speaking fast. That
Okay, sir. Okay, sir. I think that's one aspect I think, and obviously, sir, you said the fastness and anything else, sir.
because political science, internal relation is a very vast subject.
Yes, sir.
But it's okay. You are confident. You have good communication skill also.
You are
It's
very
not-
confident.
But one thing is that tomorrow jo area nature, it is so interesting for the board to dive deep. Okay.
sir.
तो तमे तांको don't try to convince them technically.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay,
Yes.
you should come down to their understanding because they do not belong to your area.
Mm.
Okay, so that's why the objection to the advertisement of Drugs and Magic Remedies Act
Yes, sir.
1954, there are some, like one is advertisement, another is that Guni Garadi Tantra Mantra kind of thing, third is the drugs. All these things are covered. Okay, the fake drugs,
Yes, sir.
that is also coming under that. So, pinpointed. And about your administration, I said, na, what prompted you to come to this administration? What is it attractive? Better salary? What? Actually, these are facts, but you have a better standing there. I hail from Malkanagiri. I know the plight of the people, the poverty, the underdevelopment, the backwardness. The backwardness was a stigma for Malkanagiri, though it was now a Swabhiman. That means we take pride in that, and that is development.
Yes, sir.
So when I'll be a part of the development, I'll feel elevated. This way, you can carry the board.
Okay, sir.
Got it?
Yes, sir.
This way, answer in the our
Okay, sir.
Okay.